Hello, welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to use the pointer uh, when we pass it to the functions. So it's very simple way. In same way, we pass the parameters in other functions. We can pass the pointers. For that, nothing we have to do there. We have to use the pointers declaration each time as a parameter, and whenever we call it, we have to use the address. Then we can pass the pointer to the functions. So here is a very simple example. Now let's understand the issue with the above program. Let's declare the variable. Let's pass only one parameter here, passing pointer. Let's give n. So this is the passing of pointer to the function here. Let's give a value here, and number equals to 70. So printer and let's call the functions here. Since we are passing the parameter, we have to pass its address because here is a pointer. So let's pass its address, and to pass it we have to put ampersand number. That's all, nothing more we have to do there. So this is how we pass the pointer to the functions. Let's save it. Let's run it. So we can see output 70. So more nothing we have to do there. So passing parameter or passing pointer to a function is a very simple technique in which we pass the address and we go for the calculation. I hope you are sure of this one. So any confusion here? Okay. If we pass the pointer in a function, then we can see the changes while calling the values of the functions. Let's see here. Let's set with different name. Let's do some changes here. We can see it is given us 70. Now let's put this statement over here. So we can see, so we are getting 80, but actually this uh, change we cannot see. If we are using only call by value, we'll also see that. So this is how we can pass the pointer to a function, nothing more. Let's write another program uh, where we'll be passing pointer for array. So going to set it here. So it's pointer to function array pass here. Let's declare array. Let's pass this array to this function here. So what we have to do here, we have to call the function. Since we are passing a pointer, yes. So what we have to do there, just we have to put a spelling mistake, FUNC. Okay. So it passes the address to this one. Now what we have to do there, we have to print it. So let's put a variable I. Let's use the loop here for I custom 0 I less than equals to for I plus plus. Let's save it. Let's run it. So we are getting 1 2 3 4. So we got the value, and here we are getting the last address because we are taking only 4 values. So this value should be 3, not the 4. So very simple. So in previous video what we discussed there, whenever we pass this, it means to this pointer, it means this pointer is going to store the first address, that is this one, first address of this one, um, and to store that either we may use this one address operator. If we don't use, fine, and that will pass to this variable, and to access the value we have to use dataTranslate operator. If we don't use, then it will display the it will display the address. So it's very simple. Similarly, if we want to input, then we can also go for that. So this is how we write the program using um, passing pointer to the functions. It's very simple. Nothing more we have to do. I hope you also have this one. So if you have any questions, you can ask me here. We can also put here ampersand, nothing more. So let's run the program. So look here, it's very simple. Similarly, we can also pass a pointer to structure. So let's see an example. Just make a variable first, st. Just make pointer. Yes. Now we know that pointer is going to store the address. So ptr equals to this of st. And now we need to assign the value to this a and to this no. So what we have to do here? Here we need to add operator, then a equals to second. Let's print it first. So st is missing. One thing is missing. So as here. So here is 10. So this is how we use the pointer with the structure. Similarly, suppose if we want to assign the values here for the name. So arrow vector name is equals to Kathmandu. Enter name equals to as ptr. So we know that actually that we cannot assign the value, and for this we need the strcpy, and we have not used this one. So cpy, let's save it. Right. So here is name and here is Kathmandu. So this is how we can use pointer to structure, and for that what we need there. So we need first structure with some members, we need one variable, and we need a pointer of that structure. Since the pointer it stores uh, address, so let's store the address of this as variable to ptr. Now let's use ptr to access the members. So ptr a, so that is stay, and ptr name, actually it is getting the value from here, we are copying that, and to print it just we have to put it ptr arrow operator here and ptr arrow operator name. So nothing more we have to do here. So same thing is written here in this example as well. Address of emp. So accessing, and so it's very simple here. We can also use dot here in this way. That's all. We declare instance of structure using employee emp and pointed to the structure. So what we have done there, which is we have assigned the address to the pointer variable emp, and to access the members, so we have two choices: either we go for arrow operator or we can go for the period operator. So like this is here, we can directly access that. I hope you also got this one. If any confusion, let me know. Okay. Okay, tomorrow again we'll be discussing about some more of parts of uh, pointer, like some more examples like how to use pointer with a structure, type def, etc. So keep tuning, and if you have any question, you can ask me using the chat box. So thank you. Take care. This was for today.